Wondering if Vylix.net is legit or just another online scam? Let me give you the short answer. As of early 2026, Vylix.net appears to be a genuine web development and server maintenance company. Here's how I checked. Vylix offers services like VPS setup, security backups, and performance optimization, pretty standard for a tech company. They've also got real clients like Truckers Norge, DXSH Music, and Mixup FM, all leaving positive feedback about their fast response times and getting the job done right. And, I always look at security. Their website uses HTTPS encryption, which is a must-have for any serious business. But before you jump in, let's talk about how to protect yourself from copycats and scammers. First, double-check the website URL. It should be Vylix.net. Scammers often use sneaky, similar-looking web addresses to trick you. Next, check their contact info. A real business will list proper phone numbers and company emails, not just a Gmail or Yahoo address. And here's a big red flag. If anyone claiming to be Vylix promises you guaranteed investment returns or crazy profits, run. The real Vylix is all about web services, not investments. Finally, if you're in South Africa, you can always search the CIPC Biz profile to confirm their official registration. So, is Vylix.net a scam? From what I can see, no. But always do your own checks before handing over cash or data, stay smart, and keep your business safe online.